We're going to do two more examples here, again with the u substitution, where we're going to change our upper and lower bounds on these integrals. So our first one is the integral from 1 to 2 of 2 ln of x over x dx. In this case, I'm going to let u equal the natural log of x. So du will be 1 over x dx. This 2 inside the integral here, I actually don't need it. I'm going to bring it in front. And I'm going to slightly rewrite this. I'm going to write this as ln of x times 1 over x dx. So there you can very clearly see the u du. So when I do the u substitution, I'm going to also change my upper and lower bounds here. So I'm going to start with the 1. ln of 1 is 0, so it changes that to 0. And then 2, ln of 2, we're just going to leave it just like that. Does not work out to be a nice pretty number. And then do my u substitution. So when I integrate, I'm going to get u squared over 2. And we're going to evaluate that from 0 to the natural log of 2. Now, before I get started, the 2 in the denominator down here, I can cancel with this 2 in front. So I'm just looking at u squared. We're going to evaluate it from the natural log of 2 to 0. Technically the other way around. Plugging in the natural log of 2, though, I get ln of 2 squared, then minus 0 squared, though of course 0 squared is 0. So what are we left with? ln of 2 squared. And then the last one, I've got the integral from 0 to 1 of 4y minus y squared plus 4y cubed plus 1, all of that raised to the negative 2/3 power, times 12y squared minus 2y plus 4 dy. So here, u will be equal to 4y minus y squared plus 4y cubed plus 1. So then du is going to equal 4 minus 2y plus 12y squared dy. And you can check, even though the order is different, the 4 minus 2y plus 12y squared, it's identical to what we have here. So I go ahead and do the u substitution, but again, I'm going to change my lower and upper bounds. If y is 0, we end up with a 0, another 0, and a third 0 plus 1, so u will be 1. And then if y is 1, 4 times 1 is 4. 1 squared is 1, so 4 minus 1 would be 3, plus 1 cubed is also 1. 4 times 1 is 4, so I have 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Then it's u to the negative 2/3 du. So we integrate. When I add 1 to this power, I get u to the positive 1/3 divided by or over 1/3. That's the same thing as saying 3 u to the 1/3. And we'll look at that on the interval from 1 to 8. The 3 I'll go ahead and pull in front. When we're taking something to the 1/3 power, we're taking the cubed root of it. So we're doing the cubed root of 8 minus the cubed root of 1. The cubed root of 8 is 2. The cubed root of 1 is 1. So we have 3 times 2 minus 1. 3 times 1 is 3.